Ahoy there! Here's another update on the Donn of Tiki. The documentary is out on a traveling roadshow exhibition. It's playing in theaters in select cities. And if you want it to come to your town, there's a link where you can let us know. I'll have that in the description below. And starting today, December 5th, and going through December 11th, it'll be playing in its hometown of Los Angeles at the Laemmle NoHo 7. It shows 3 times a day each of those days. So if you're in the Southern California area, you should come check it out and watch it with an enthusiastic crowd. This stop of the tour will have events at both Tonga Hut and Broken Compass. On Sunday, December 7th, there's an event at Tonga Hut from 3 to 10 p.m. The soundtrack of the movie on vinyl will finally be released that day. There are drink specials on classic Donn cocktails, a costume contest, free posters for those who dress up, and more. The filmmakers Max and Alex will be there, and I'll be there too. So if you're going on Sunday, be sure to swing by Tonga Hut before or after your show. And then on Wednesday, December 10th, there's an event at Broken Compass from 5 to 10. If you haven't been to Broken Compass yet, you'll definitely want to check it out. They make proper Donn drinks. Navy grogs, 3 dots and a dashes, and...
The zombie, and missionary downfall, and the Sumatra coolers.
Right, and...
Altogether, I've created some 64 different rum drinks.
Okay, Don, I'll take it from here. Anyway, I'll be at that one too. So come hang out with us on a school night. Well, I guess both of them are school nights, so party accordingly. And, in addition to all that, if you watch the movie and go to both bar events, you can enter a drawing to win a Donn of Tiki limited edition mug. Ooh. Links to get your tickets will be in the description below. It's definitely going to be a fun time, so I hope to see you there. Alright, that's it for now. Hopefully I'll get you a new message in a bottle soon. Cheers.